Hi, my name is Shubham Ashok Saranke. Today date is 25 November 2024 and today topic is constructor. Today I am going to talk about constructor in Java. Constructor are a very important part of Java programming language. They are used to initialize object. If you are learning Java, understanding constructing is a must. Then constructor, what is a constructor? Constructor is a special method in Java that has the same name as the class. When you create an object of a class, the constructor gets called automatically. Its main job it is to initialize the object. For example, if you have a class called car, the constructor of the car class will help create a car object and set its starting values. Features of a constructor. First is same name as the class. The name of the constructor must be the same as the class name. And second is no return type. Unlike other method constructor do not have a return type. Other method constructor type do not have a return type, not even void. Third is called automatically. You don't need to call a constructor manually. It is called automatically when the object is created. Types of constructor. First is there are two types of constructor in Java. First is default constructor. A default constructor is created automatically if don't write any constructor. It is sets a default constructor value for the object. Then first default constructor. Second is no argument constructor. We can do not pass the parameter. It is known as a no argument constructor. No argument constructor is create for user and default constructor is create for compiler. This is difference for default constructor and no argument constructor. Third is parameterized constructor. The parameterized constructor, this constructor takes an argument. It allows to set a specific value for the object when it is created. Example: class car string brand car string brand is equals to b public class main public static and main string args car my car is equal to new car. My car is a object of a class my car. In this example, the constructor takes a parameter to set the car brand. Why use a constructor? Then I explain the copy constructor. Copy constructor is not used for regularly. Copy constructor is used for copy value one object to another object. It is used for depends on a user. It is a why use a constructor. They makes you coding easier by initialize object automatically. They help in setting default or specific value during object creation. Constructor is a very special and special type of method. Constructor does not have any return type, and constructor name should be same as a class name. Why use a constructor? They make coding easier by initialize object automatically. They help in setting default or specific value during object creation. They improve the readability of the code. Then constructor overloading. Constructor overloading in Java allow you to have more than one constructor in a class. This is called a constructor overloading. Each constructor must have a different number of parameters. That's called a constructor overloading. Example class car string brand integers speed. Car is a constructor, and inside the car brand is equals to there are multiple constructor in one class is allowed, but constructor have a different parameters. It is must rule of constructor overloading. Rule to remember, if you write any constructor, the default constructor is not created is automatically. This is all your information about the constructor concept. Okay, thank you.